Hey there! Struggling with a relayed Bobcat Miner on your TP-Link router? You're not alone. Many crypto enthusiasts encounter this hiccup while trying to maximize their mining potential. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of fixing a relayed Bobcat Miner on a TP-Link router. With these simple steps, you'll enhance your connection stability and potentially boost your crypto reward. Step 1. Identify the relay status. Before diving into solutions, it's crucial to confirm that your Bobcat Miner is indeed in a relayed status. You can check this by using the Helium app or visiting the Helium Explorer website. If your miner indicates a relayed status, it means communication with other nodes is impeded by network restrictions. Step 2. Enable UPnP on your TP-Link router. Universal Plug-and-Play, or UPnP, is a handy feature that allows devices on the same network to discover each other and establish routes. Here's how to enable it. Access router settings. Open a web browser and enter your TP-Link router's IP address, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Log in with your credentials. Navigate to UPnP settings. Go to the Advanced tab, select NAT forwarding, and then UPnP. Enable UPnP. Toggle the UPnP setting to on. Save the settings and reboot your router for the changes to take effect. Step 3. Set up port forwarding. Sometimes enabling UPnP isn't enough, and you might need to configure port forwarding manually. Here's how. Locate port forwarding section. Under NAT forwarding, select virtual servers. Add new port forwarding rule. Click Add and enter the following details. Service type, custom. External port, 44158, commonly used for Bobcat miners. Internal IP. Enter the IP address of your miner, found in the Helium app settings or IP mapping tool on your router. Internal port, 44158. Protocol, TCP/UDP. Save configuration. Ensure the rule is enabled and click Save. Restart your router and your miner changes to take effect. Step 4. Ensure a static IP address. Assigning a static IP to your Bobcat miner can prevent the IP from changing, ensuring continuity in your network rules. Reserve DHCP address. In your router dashboard under DHCP, select Address Reservation. Add reservation. Input the MAC address of your miner and assign a static IP. Save and reboot. Apply changes and reboot to confirm the static IP assignment. Taking control of your network by fixing a relayed Bobcat miner on a TP-Link router can optimize performance and enhance reward potential. By enabling UPnP, setting up port forwarding, and assigning a static IP, you're making strides toward a more efficient mining setup. These simple yet effective steps help ensure your miner communicates effectively with the Helium network. Remember, technology can be finicky, so patience and persistence are key. With this guide, you're well equipped for a smoother, more rewarding mining experience. Happy mining!